Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be looking at this Rearland set of 6 soup spoons. Let's open these up and take a look. Alright, here's the box. I've already cut it open. Let's see how the spoons look inside. These come in a very nice packaging to save them during shipping. You can see these are very well packed. I can feel that there are spoons stacked on top of each other. Let me cut this packing open and we can take further look inside. So as you can see, these are very well packed spoons. I've already removed some of the packaging, but you can tell that these are individually packed and there's enough packing between each of them as well so they don't rub and scratch each other. These are very high quality ceramic spoons. As I unwrap one of these, you can tell this is a high quality ceramic spoon, not the plastic variety you might find in a local diner. You can see the shape is quite well balanced. It will hang off the side of your soup bowl so it doesn't soak inside the bowl, inside your soup, which is very important. And it is quite deep as well, so you can hold enough soup to drink in one go as well. I'm going to show you this in a soup bowl as well. Here you can see how this spoon sits in a smaller soup bowl. This fits perfectly. You can use it to dip into the bowl and also leave it resting on the side. Now similarly, if you use a larger bowl, you will notice how it sits even better and deeper into that bowl. It again hangs off the side to make sure it doesn't go all the way in. It fits in perfectly and can be used very easily to have a spoon of soup from this bowl. Now if you move to an even larger bowl, you will notice that this is actually amazing for this size of soup bowl as well. The spoon tail hangs off on the side of the bowl so it doesn't slip in, and this is large enough to also use with a much larger soup bowl. So the same spoon size fits well in large, medium, or even smaller soup bowls without any issue. All of these, you can see it fits them perfectly. I love the color on these spoons, the shape of these spoons, the depth, and the high quality of the ceramic. This will even go in your dishwasher and microwave. They will never bend, warp, or discolor. And the spoon tails also have a hole to hang these spoons off the wall or a hook. Here you can see the soup spoon with the soup in the bowl. You can use the spoon to mix the soup, take more of the liquids in the soup, or take a healthy serving of the vegetables or meat in the soup, as well as take a good mix of both. It works in all scenarios. And here's me taking a good healthy sip of the soup. Yummy.